Michael Sager is ecstatic with the phenomenal ratings of Himi Ilonggo Girl on GMA Prime. Sparkle leading man Michael Sager got an early birthday gift with the success of his GMA Prime series My Ilonggo Girl with star of the new gen Jillian Ward. Since its pilot on January 13, the story, which revolves around Tata, Jillian, the doppelganger of the actress influencer Venice, Jillian, has consistently posted strong TV ratings on primetime. Michael, who turned 22 today, February 5, talked to GMAnetwork.com about the positive responses they have been getting for their kilig serye. Jill and I were talking about it, we just offered it to the Lord. Sabi ko, Jill, kung anuman ang mangyari bahala na. Ayaw din namin i-pressure yung sarili namin, ayaw namin i-pressure yung team. Just whatever is given to US, is given to US. Michael continued, and if anuman yung result may be it negative or positive walang ano yan. Because, we just want to keep working harder and keep improving. Kahit mataas man, galingan pa natin mas reach for higher goals. Diba if we climb a higher mountain and having that mindset with my co-actors, with this prod and with the staff, I mean it's very good. Kasi talagang they are still on their toes, our first pilot week was filled with pressure. Thank you Lord, it was a successful weekend ang saya namin. The Sparkada member also added that they were able to deliver their promise to the audience to keep them entertained with their wonderful content each episode. We are thankful, we are grateful na maganda yung reception ng tao, kahit online. I'm happy na yung goal kasi namin with the show was magpakilig, magpasaya. Paggabi na gusto lang namin na umuwi sila at bago sila tumulog nakasmile sila with our story.